This video describes the download, install, and configuring of XAMPP for Mac. XAMPP is server software for the local machine, used to develop dynamic websites using Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Go to the Apache Friends website and download XAMPP version 1.8.2. This download includes PHP version 5.4.31, which is what most production servers available from web hosting companies are running at the time this video was created, November 2014. Once downloaded, locate the installer and launch it. Accept the default options until screen 4. In this screen, you can turn off the checkbox indicating you want to learn more about Bitnami. Continue with the defaults until the installation is complete. Once finished, XAMPP should start and a browser is launched, taking you to the language splash screen. Choose your language. The splash screen will then change to show you the installation success page. Behind the browser window should be the XAMPP Application Manager window. Use the Command, Tab, keystroke combination to quickly navigate to the Manager window. In the window, select the center tab labeled Manage Servers. You should see that the Apache web server is already running. The green light is on. Click the top server, MySQL Database, and on the right, click the Start button. If the light for that server changes from red to green, the database server has successfully started. If both servers are started, things are as they should be. Next, you will check to make sure that the Apache server is running on port 80. This is the universal port for web servers, and you want to make sure that XAMPP is using the same port. Click on the Apache server name, then click the Configure button on the right. The Configure Web Server dialog box should open. If the port says 80, things are as they should be and you can click the Cancel button. If the port says 8080 or any other number, change it to 80. Then click the OK button. You will need to restart the Apache server by clicking on the server name, then clicking the Restart button to the right. There may be times when the Apache server will not start because there is an SSL, Secured Socket Layer, port conflict. If your computer indicates such an error, refer to the written version of this tutorial and follow the steps labeled Changing the SSL port. The root directory for XAMPP is found in the Applications folder of your machine, inside of the XAMPP folder, and is named htdocs. However, you will not want to build your site within this folder. Rather, you will want to create a folder within htdocs for your website. This process is described in the XAMPP for Mac subdomains tutorial, which the URL is indicated. You will want to complete it next. If the servers will not start for any reason, quit XAMPP, restart it, and try again. If XAMPP's servers will not start, contact your professor for assistance.